Hi, my name is Roshana, and I want to tell you about Brian McNeill. I recently had a chance to participate in one of his workshops, and it blew me away. You know how as a coach, sometimes it's hard to articulate what you do and how you do it in a way that helps clients understand how you can help them solve their problems? Well, Brian helps you do just that as a coach. His philosophy and approach is easy to follow. He has a heart that is passionate for coaches. I love the fact that he not only gives you the what to do, but how to do it. Brian is a great sales coach. I highly recommend that you work with him, that you have a chance to participate in his workshops. You're going to get more than the what. You're going to get the how, and you're going to get his heart and his passion.